Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is a 10 by 20 inch canvas that I have recently put black on the edges. This is mead and black that I'm going to put on both sides so that I have a somewhat heavy layer. And I'm going to put Amsterdam white in the middle that has some Floetrol and some GAC 800 in it. But first I want to spread this. I'm going to try and experiment and use my silicone brush. I need a little more on one end. I suspect I'm going to make a mess. I'm almost out of this paint, so come on. That looks like a lot of paint. Of jasmine, which is a primary element. Is Moody Lilac. Jasmine is a primary element. Moody Lilac, I believe, is a Prizm pour, but I'm not positive. So I haven't used my Mayan gold for a while, but it does seem like it's a good idea, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I suspect I'm going to have a lot of paint, more than I anticipated. So next, I've got some poinsettia. Which is a Prizm pour. And I mixed some fresh black Australian Floetrol and Amsterdam black paint. I'm going to use orange crush. Probably some more gold. And maybe another line of jasmine. Right up at the top. A little more Mayan gold. And finish up with the blue velvet. And I'm going to use my palette knife like I did the first time. I think it was 8307 and it sold. Now the first time I did this, did I do black with white on top. So that's what we'll try the first time. Let that drip right down into the container, spread out nicely. I Looks to be a fairly good consistency. I'm going to mostly do this on one side and then possibly tip. And that worked out nicely. I evidently need a scrape dish. This time I'm going to try it the other way around, which might or might not be interesting. Because the white is so much thinner. I'd have to use a smaller palette knife. I know there's going to be a need to do that, I think. So I like both of those combinations, but I don't mind the black. I don't mind either. Probably should have worked over from that other end. Afraid I was going to drag my thumb through the painting for a minute. I do have quite a bit of paint. And it is going to make a bit of a mess. I'll probably put some spirals in here. So I'm going to do what I said I was going to do and try and switch it out. Do that on the other side. Love it when these cells, the peacock cells, pop up. So I've got some excess in my scrape dish, but I'm going to wipe off my tool. Put it away right now. Grab a skewer with a paintball on the end. Put a couple of spirals in before I start tipping, and I am going to tip. Nothing's ever as good as the first time. Tip and drag tendrils out. I think I better tip before I get too involved. Maybe just match up this one end. Always time to add more tendrils later. Although this one seems to want to go to town right now. Let's see if I can tip it back again. just to change things up some. Maybe I'll just keep right on going. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions. It will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.